In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cameo in Sora 2. Mammoth Ride, Full Guide. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the right place without typing long addresses. Make sure your address bar is clear and you're on the main Google page so your search results are accurate and up to date. In the search box, type the single word Sora and press enter. Keep it simple. You don't need extra keywords. You're looking for the official Sora website. Scan the results and look for the official domain that clearly references Sora's Explore experience. Choosing the correct site ensures you land on the real tool rather than a blog or third-party page. Click through to the Sora website. You should arrive on an Explore-style page where you can browse examples and begin creating. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign in before continuing. Once you're in, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you know where to type and how to preview results. Select a profile to get started. Profiles are curated showcases that highlight particular styles, subjects, or creative approaches. Picking one helps Sora's Cameo feature understand the vibe you're aiming for, whether that's cinematic, comedic, or high energy. Choose a profile that matches the playful, action comedy feel we want for a Mammoth ride sequence. Now, create your prompt. In the text field, paste or type a comedic sunset adventure where a man clings to a speeding woolly mammoth, gets launched into a dramatic slow-motion flip, and lands perfectly as the mammoth proudly approves. This prompt is short but specific. It sets the tone, comedic, the time of day, sunset, the subject, a man and a woolly mammoth, the motion, a dramatic slow-motion flip, and the ending beat, approval from the mammoth. If you want to fine-tune later, you can adjust wording like pacing, mood, or camera feel, but start with this clear description so the Cameo system has a strong narrative to follow. When you're ready, click Submit. Sora will process your request and begin generating the sequence. Rendering time can vary, so be patient and let it finish. When the result appears, preview it from start to finish. If the energy, timing, or approval moment isn't quite right, tweak the wording in your prompt and submit again. Small changes can make big differences. Finally, once you're happy with the result, save or share it from the available options, and you're done.